Hi guys, today I'll show you how to cook banana and methi vegetable. Ingredients are as follows: banana 2 pieces, green methi, and we have all the coriander powder, salt, coriander leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Now we will cut the bananas with skin into pieces. I think it should be like one piece should be 1.5 inches. This is how you all will cut bananas. It's like as if you stuff brinjals. Now we will make the filling to stuff bananas. So we will take methi bhaji. Please wash it properly. I have chopped methi. Now I will add turmeric powder to it. Red chili powder, coriander leaves, salt, now mix well. It's like stuffing brinjals if you all are planning to cook stuffed brinjals bhaji. See, this is how I have stuffed all the bananas with methi. Now we will add oil in a pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now we'll add these bananas. Now the leftover masalas, you all can just put it over this. Now we will cover this with lid for approximately 10 minutes on a slow flame. Keep checking it for every 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, your flame should be very slow. This is how it will look like when it's done. Now we will serve it in a bowl. And you all can garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. You all can have this with bajra roti, wheat roti, parathas. It's ready to eat.